So tried to park in that car park and it wouldn't recognise my details, or wouldn't let me put my bank details in. So I've come over here, just the next street up. I know you shouldn't really park on some street, but I'm not in anybody's way. There's no lines. Look at that view. So we're just down here now. So we'll get the drone up and see how it goes. Hello, sir.
Hi.
Hello. So we'll get the drone up and see how things go. So we're just on the edge of the village now, Portscatho. That takes you there, then it's right into the village there. And just here's the car park. I'm going to cross over and I'll try and get the drone up in the field over the other side. Absolute cracking day today. Right, there's the gateway down here. We'll take the first gate. See where that leads us. Houses here. Don't trust those in that car over there. No, we'll take the next one. I'm not sure if that takes you into a field, but we'll try this way. That machine wouldn't take my details. Have you paid and displayed? No, I've not, because I'm not in your car park. Talk to myself all the time, I know. Look at it, lovely little walkways all the way around here. This takes you down to the hidden hut. Down here, it opens up here, look. Here we are. Oh, electric fence. Do not touch the electric fence. Ouch. Right. So I want to get the drone up somewhere up here. There's a hidden hut down there. I don't know if you see it down there. Right down on the cove. In fact, I'd probably get away with putting it here. A bit too close there. Let's have a look just down here. Okay, so we step back a little bit there, right over there. I don't know if you can see. I can step back right over there a little bit, which is okay. There's a boat in the harbour. Tide's in. It's definitely a bit calmer here. So the idea is to fly it from over there, where the Coast Guard lookout station is on the end, fly it round here over the hidden hut and up the coast up to Portscatho. So that's my idea, to get it all the way up to Portscatho and back. A little bit of wind. I'm not sure how good it's going to be with that wind, but it was definitely worse on St Maur's side in the estuary, or if you call it estuary, going over towards Plymouth, Falmouth even. I'll get it right.